KheatiBuddy is an agri-tech company based in Pune, India, focused on digitizing agriculture through data-driven solutions. Their platform connects farm operations with post-harvest supply chains, helping farmers, agribusinesses, and governments make better, more informed decisions. As KheatiBuddy continued to grow, their website needed to grow with them. When they approached us, the website wasn't reflecting the strength of the platform behind it. Built in 2021, it had slowly become cluttered, hard to navigate, and difficult to manage. Updates felt risky, navigation was confusing, and over time, too many plugins made the site fragile. Crashes were common, and simple changes often caused unexpected issues. The design didn't help either. It felt stitched together instead of intentional. And despite the effort put into it, the site wasn't built to scale. Instead of supporting growth, the website had started holding it back. Our goal was to change that. At WPoets, we set out to build a website that's fast, clean, easy to manage, and ready to scale. Not just visually appealing, but genuinely useful for marketing and long-term growth. We began with a fresh design approach. The new interface is clean, readable, and consistent, with an earthy tone that still feels modern and tech-driven. Everything was designed mobile first, so the experience stays smooth across devices. Navigation was simplified, and clear user journeys were created for farmers, enterprises, and government partners. Now each audience can quickly find what matters to them, without confusion. On the development side, we didn't patch the old system. We rebuilt the website from scratch using custom WordPress Gutenberg blocks. This removed dependency on heavy plugins, improved performance, and created a stable foundation. More importantly, it empowered the internal marketing team. They can now update content, launch campaigns, and build new pages on their own, without waiting on developers for every small change. Migration and SEO were handled with equal care. Important pages were preserved, outdated ones were removed, and proper redirects ensured there was no traffic loss. Throughout this phase, we worked closely with KheatiBuddy's third-party SEO agency. Their team shared structured SEO requirements, and we implemented them cleanly, from internal linking and metadata updates to Google Search Console fixes and batch content improvements. At one stage, KheatiBuddy had both global and Canadian versions of the website. We implemented hreflang tags to avoid confusion and ensure correct regional targeting. Later, when the Canada site was merged into the global site, the transition happened smoothly, without losing SEO value. The result is a modern, stable, and scalable website, delivered in just 8 to 9 weeks. Today, the website acts as a central digital platform. It builds trust, supports lead generation, and scales with the business. The feedback from the KheatiBuddy team has been very positive. They feel confident managing the site, work moves faster, and the website finally reflects the strength of their product. This project shows what happens when design, development, strategy, and the right SEO collaboration come together. The website is no longer a bottleneck. It's now a foundation for growth.